In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to activate your SIMPoYo U5 SIM card for the very first time. SIMPoYo U5 comes with a pre-installed SIM card. Before using it, you must activate the SIM. You'll find the ICCID number on the information label. Method 1. The fastest way is scanning the QR code. Just point your phone camera at the QR code on your SIMPoYo U5. The ICCID number will automatically appear. Next, enter your details to register. And tap Create Account. Method 2. You can also activate through the website. Just visit w.simpoyo.com/activate. Enter your ICCID and click Create Account. Once your account is created, you'll receive confirmation. As a new user, you'll also receive 10 gigabytes of free 4G data, valid for 30 days in the UK and 34 European countries. And that's it. Activating your SIMPoYo SIM card is simple and quick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit our website for more support.